it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. Welcome back to How to Kill a Kit with Style for the month of July. My main goal for July was to use up the Simple Stories Sunkiss collection, and I think I did it. A little bonus is I also killed my Pinkbrush Studio real life pattern papers that I have. I didn't have a bunch, but I had a few. This is literally the only bit that I have left. And so because I did that with the Pinkbrush Studio, the layouts will pop up. I made 4, and I think I had a couple done beforehand too, so hopefully those are popping up for you to see as I'm talking. I'm giving myself $5 for doing that. I was pretty excited. And just $5 to go into my next purchase at Scrapbook Your Joy. As for the Sunkiss collection, I am hoping those layouts are also popping up for you. I didn't count, so I'm not sure how many layouts in total I got done with the collection, but it was a decent amount. I had the full collection from what I can think of. I don't think didn't have anything, but anything that was available at Scrapbook Your Joy, I got. The only thing I really have left over are a few brads. Oh, those aren't brads, enamel dots. And this one Project Life card. This is going in my stash to use. I really like it, so I'm gonna find a way to use it some way, somehow. And these are just gonna go into my little embellishment drawer, and hopefully I can use them up on another project. I used up all of the decorative brads. I used up all of the pre-made word foam things, and most of the little pieces of ephemera. I used up all the journaling bits and most of the other little bits. All I have left is a few stickers and a couple pieces of ephemera and 2 puff. Oh, and I used most of the puffy stickers minus these 2. I had a problem with the floaty ones. They just didn't fit what I was working with. So sticker sheet killed. That's literally all I have left. I absolutely could save these and use them, but I'm not going to. I'm kind of done with this collection, especially as much as I've been looking at it. So I'm very, very pleased with this. I'm only going to give myself $10 for it, but honestly, I think I could have given myself $15 with how much I worked with it and really inked out all the way into using up even the last little bits of paper. I have no paper left over, not even a scrap. So really happy about that. And it was just an awesome way to get this used up and out of my collection, out of my stash, and another $10 into that. So I am currently at $15 towards my next purchase. Of course, my goal is to get to 100, and I am hoping to get to that in like September, October-ish, because I really need the new Simple Stories Ginger Snap collection. That's what I'm aiming for. So yeah, I really need to start using up because I need to get that before Sandra sells out of it. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all had a fabulous July yourselves, and I will be back with my August How to Kill a Kit with Style and my plans for that coming up in the next day or so. Thanks so much for watching. Bye everyone.